seconds.
Hello kids, in this video I will teach you to read 106 letter words with simple sentence. Animal. The animal is big. Always. I always smile. Atom. Atom as leaves. Adore. I adore my dog. Bright. The sun is bright. Bottle. The bottle has milk. Banana. I eat a banana. Bridge. The bridge is long. Circle. The circle is round. Castle. The castle is tall. Candy. I love candy. Candle. The candle glows. Doctor. The doctor helps me. Dragon. The dragon is red. Drawer. The drawer is full. Dinner. Dinner is ready. 11. I am 11. Energy. The sun gives energy. Engine. The engine runs fast. Escape. The cat will escape. Father. My father is kind. Flower. The flower is pink. Forest. The forest is green. Friend. My friend is nice. Garden. The garden has roses. Guitar. I play guitar. Gentle. Be gentle with pets. Golden. The sun is golden. House. The house is big. Hungry. I feel hungry. Hockey. We play hockey. Happy. I am happy. Insect. The insect is tiny. Inside. The toy is inside. Island. The island is small. Invite. I invite my friend. Jacket. The jacket is warm. Jungle. The jungle is wild. Jelly. I like jelly. Junior. I am a junior. Kitten. The kitten is cute. Karate. I learn karate. Kindly. She speaks kindly. Kingdom. The kingdom is rich. Ladder. The ladder is tall. Little. The little boy runs. Lemon. The lemon is sour. Laptop. I use a laptop. Monkey. The monkey jumps. Mother. My mother asks me. Market. We go to market. Magic. The magic is fun. Number. My number is 10. Night. The night is dark. Nature. I love nature. Noble. The noble king rules. Orange. I eat an orange. Office. The office is big. Online. I study online. Ocean. The ocean is blue. People. Many people sing. Planet. Earth is a planet. Police. The police help us. Puppy. The puppy is small. Quench. I quench my thirst. Quietus. Quietus is shiny. Quickly. He runs quickly. Quills. The porcupine has quills. Rabbit. The rabbit hops. Rocket. The rocket flies. Rainbow. The rainbow is bright. Reader. I am a reader. School. I go to school. Summer. Summer is hot. Silver. The ring is silver. Strong. I am strong. Tiger. The tiger roars. Travel. We travel far. Turtle. The turtle walks slow. Talent. She has talent. Unique. You are unique. Update. I update my book. Unicorn. The unicorn is white. Upward. The kite flies upward. Violet. The violet is purple. Volume. The volume is loud. Valley. The valley is green. Voices. Many voices sing. Winter. Winter is cold. Water. Water is fresh. Wonder. I wonder why. Worker. The worker is busy. Xylons. Xylons are in plants. Zeros. A zeros is a squirrel. Xylol. Xylol is a sugar. Xenon. Xenon is a gas. Yellow. Sun is yellow. Young. The young boy runs. Yearly. We meet yearly. yachts. He will be in some yachts.
Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.